In last class, we have completed page number 65. Look at the current year calendar and filled in the table. That is Pongal, which month is coming, and date and day. And Independence Day also we have written, and Republic Day. Under this, some of the questions are there given. So first question is, which festival comes sooner from today? So important the number from this day onwards, sooner festival that is Deepavali. This is the Deepavali is the festival that comes sooner from today. Okay, how many days are more from today to celebrate Deepavali? How many days are there? How many days to celebrate that? How many days or more to celebrate that festival, that is Deepavali. How many days are there? So how many days are there? Today's date is 3. So I think 14th is the Deepavali. So we got 11 days to go to celebrate the Deepavali. Then the third one, which festival comes last in December? Which festival comes last in December? We are going to celebrate the Christmas. So that is the last festival of this year, Christmas. Okay, children. Now the last question is, how many months are there in between first and the last festival? How many months are there between first and the last festival, that is Deepavali and Christmas? How many months are there between first and the last festival? Sorry, first one is okay. So first festival is Pongal, and after that last festival is Christmas. From January to December. So say February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So how many months are there in between the first and the last festival? Is 9 months. From January to December, Christmas festival. Okay, so these are the questions. And now we are going to see the next page number 66. In this page number 66, we are going to see about the January, how many days, how many weeks are there. Number of days and number of weeks. So in January, how many number of days, how many weeks are there totally? So in January, how many days? February, how many days? Fully we have to write down in a column. So page number 66 you can have the numbers there. In January, 31 days, number of days and number of weeks. So you can write serial number and then month, name of the month, and then number of days, number of days in each month, and then number of weeks and days. So each and every month, number of weeks and days. So everything you are having it in your book. Now here we can write. Okay, you have already know that 1 week is 7 days, 1 year is 365 days, 1 year 12 months, and 1 year you got 52 weeks. Okay, we will see how we got 52 weeks they are telling, So we got 365 days in a month. So how many weeks? 7 days in 1 week. So you divide this 365 by 7. So you will get 7 5s are 35. So 6 minus 5, 1, and this is 15. This 5 you make it down. 7 2s are 14. So 1 days. So 52 weeks. So remaining 1 day is there. So for ordinary year, we got 52 weeks and 1 day. Suppose leap year, this is ordinary year. Ordinary year, we got 52 weeks and 1 day. But in leap year, we got 52 weeks and 3 days. So 366 days in the leap year. So you can divide this by same 7. 7 5s are 35. Same thing only will come. 6 5 position of 1 and this 6 will come down. 7 2s are 14 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So same 52 weeks but the remainder day is 2 days. Okay, so in ordinary year we got 52 weeks and 1 day. But in leap year we got same 52 weeks but 2 days is there. Okay, so we have to divide this by 7 because 7 days in a week. So we have to divide by 7. Now we will see the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So 12 months. 12 months. So January we got so how many days? Number of days is 31 and February 28 days. In this we got one rhyme 30 days as September. 30 days as September, April, June, November, September. So how can we remember these 4 months? So April exam mudiyudhu. So April ku 30 days. We got exam in April. So 30 days. And June the school is reopening. So 30 days. And September the first midterm will come. So that is the 30 days. After that November. So that is 30 days. Okay. So April la school close avudhu. June la school reopening. And September is the first term and November is the second term. So April, June, September, November. Only these 4 months are having the 30 days. All the rest remaining remaining and all will get the 31 days except the February. So 31 days we can write January, February 28 days, so that we won't write. And March is there. April ku 30 days irukku, so we won't want to write. May and June also already here. And July, August, September is there. October, November irukkudu and December. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 months are having 31 days and 4 months are having 30 days. So 7 plus 4, 11. And February we got 28 days only. Okay. So January 31 days, February 28 days and March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30 days, July 31, August, September is 30, October is 31, November 30 and December 31. Okay, so these are the days to remember like this: April, June, September, November. April reopening, I mean closing. June reopening. September is the first midterm and after that November is the second midterm. So you got 30 days to 4 months. Remaining months irukadhu 31 days. Adle February remaining months we have to write. So apdi paatha number 30, 31, 20, 30, 31 we are written. Now we have to write weeks and days, number of weeks and days. So weeks, so inga edhikonga number of weeks and days. ஸோ 31 எப்படி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? இப்போ 31 ஒரு மந்தில் எத்தனை வீக்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா we have to divide the 31 by 7. ஸோ 7 4s are 28 அப்போ 11 minus 8 that gives you 3. அப்போ answer is 4 weeks. 31 daysக்கு 4 weeks 3 days. Like that for 30 also you can divide by 7. Same thing, 7 4s are 28. Remaining is 2. 10 ல 8 போச்சுன்னா 2. இங்கே வந்து 11 8 போச்சுன்னா 3. ஸோ இது வந்து same 4 weeks 2 days. புரியுதா? 31 டேஸை நம்ம 7ல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் 4 weeks 3 days வரும். அதே மாதிரி 30 டேஸை 7ல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் 4 weeks 2 days. Now we can write. இப்போ 31க்கு எவ்வளோ வந்தது? 4 weeks 3 days. ஸோ 4 weeks 3 days. For 28 4 weeks 0 days. ஓகேயா? 28 7ல் டிவைட் பண்ணி பாருங்களேன். 7 4s are 28. So 0 days. This is the days and this is the week. This is the week. This is the week. And this is the day. Can you understand, children? So 28 at 7ல டிவைட் பண்ணால் we got 4 weeks. ஏன்னா 1 weekனா 7 days. ஸோ 7ல் தான் டிவைட் பண்ணும். இப்போ 31க்கு என்ன வந்தது? சேம் 4 weeks 3 days. 30க்கு what we got? 4 weeks 2 days. 4 weeks 2 days. Same 31க்கு 4 weeks 3. 30 4 is 2. 4 3 4 3 4 2 4 3 4 2 and 4 3. So totally how many weeks we got? 48 weeks and 29 days. So in this total பண்ணாக்கா இது total பண்ணும்போது we will get 48 weeks. So how many weeks? இது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணாக்கா 48 weeks and 29 days. So if we add this, all this, we will get 48 weeks and 21 days. Four, 3. So if you add all this, 48 weeks and 29 days. Okay, 48 weeks and 29 days. So in the 29 days, again, if you divide by 7, 7 4s are 28. So 1 day, அப்போ 4 weeks வருது இல்லையா? இந்த 4 weeks 48ஓட ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. 48 plus 4 that is equal to 52 weeks and 1 day for 1 year. So நம்ம மொத்தமாக 1 yearக்கு how many weeks are there? 52 weeks and 1 day. Can you understand? So this was about the weeks and the days. Now we will move on to the next one. So this is easy only. Page number 67. Page number 67. Okay, in this they have got leap year occurs once in 4 years. So leap year வந்து once in 4 years. 4 years once in 4 years. 4 வருஷத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை வரும். ஸோ இந்த லீப் இயரில் how many days are there? There are 366 days. How many weeks are there? 52 weeks. நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? 52 weeks and 2 days. 52 weeks லீப் இயரில். ஆனால் ஆர்டினரி இயரில் we will get 52 weeks and 1 day. Okay. So leap year is occurs once in 4 years and 366 days. How many weeks? 52 weeks, 2 days. And ordinary year 52 weeks and 1 day. Now complete the table in page number 66. They are giving months with 31 days. Month with 31 days. Same page only. So they are given complete the table. They are given complete the table. Months with 31 days. They are given the two lines. Months with 31 days and months with 30 days. 30 days. So what are the months in 31 days? Already I told you. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. And here it is. April, June, September and November. So February only 28 days. So this is the number of months having the 30 days and 31 days. Find the months which are 30 days. So question is, one more question is there down. Find the months. So abdina in the 30 days kenana months irukko, that you have to write. Find the months which have 30 days. Which have 30 days. So what are the months? April, June, September, November. April is closing the school. June is reopening the school. September is the first midterm and November is the second midterm. Sorry, first term and November is the second term. So like that thing in your easily only these 4 months are having the 30 days. In the next 31 days January in the months remaining what are the months are there, you can write it down. So in this February it won't come because February is the leap year or else 28 days only. We are writing only 31 days and 30 days. Okay children. Now page number 68 they are given 5.2, say true or false. January is the first month of the year. That is true. March is in between September and November. False. The last month of the year is July. False. February has 30 days. That is also false. April is the successive month of May. That is also false. And here they are given the the missing month. So you know the June, July, August, September. Then March, April, May, June. September, October, November. So you can write successive months after that. Next month, predecessor month. Okay. Okay children. Now we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.